Hey guys, this is Andrea. So I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about how to stay sharp because summertime is already here and most of us are out of school by now. Of course, we probably do need a break from school. It's also important to train your brain for when school comes back. It can be easier to transition back into school. So I'm gonna give y'all some ways that y'all can stay sharp in the summertime. One way that you can stay sharp is by taking online courses. There are many free online courses that you can do. There's different sources for and different websites for it. For example, there's Khan Academy where you can enroll in you can sign up for classes that that you're taking right now or that you want to take, and it teaches you material and you can take quizzes. There are apps in the App Store that you can use that help to train your mind. They do little brain games or activities to help your mind stay focused and to help sharpen your mind. Another thing that you can do is summer camps, educational camps. You can do, say, tutoring, and you can either help someone to tutor and teach them, or you can get tutoring, or you can do a summer camp for math or science or something like that to help you practice and to help you stay prepared for when you go back to school. Basically, staying sharp in the summertime doesn't have to be a difficult task. There are many ways that you can help your mind to be trained and help to stay focused on school and being proactive with your studying. You can start study groups with your friends. Maybe y'all are in the same summer courses, and so y'all can help study with each other. Maybe go to the library, or maybe or even do a Zoom meeting. I hope that this video teaches y'all and gives you some ways that you can stay sharp in the summertime. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.